Okay, here we'll learn another way to understand ROE here. I've written here the equation. So basically ROE here is 1 minus tax rate. It's inside the bracket, and we have bigger bracket here and here. We have ROI, return on investment, plus we have smaller bracket here, ROI minus interest rate. It's interest rate. This might be not so clear for you, but I mean it's interest rate. And then we multiply this with total debt on total equity. This part of equation, we can call it as leverage effect. Okay, so let's try to do it. Okay, now let's suppose we have 0.40 or 40% tax rate, and we have 0 interest rate. Okay, so we imagine this is in a company with not taking interest. So this is Islamic company. So let's do it. 1 minus 0.40, and this one is 0.30 plus 0.30 minus 0, because interest rate is 0, and then total debt is 0 because this company is not taking any loan. And let's suppose the company has the equity 100,000. Okay, so 1 minus 0.40 is 0.60, and this is going to be 0, this is going to be 0, so we only have this remains, so we have this 0.30. So we multiply 0.60 and 0.30, and we got this number, 18%. So basically, these two ROE for the company who is not taking any debt or any interest. Okay, so here we go to another company. Let's say this is company A, just make it easier. And this one is company B. Sorry. Okay, now suppose we know that the interest rate is 10%. And suppose the company from its 100 total asset, suppose the company have 20,000 equity, and 80,000 debt. So let's see what happened here. So we calculate here 1 minus 0.40, the tax rate is 0.60, and then inside this bracket, let's do it, this 8 on 2, it's gonna be 4. So this one 0.30 minus 0.10 is is going to be 0.20. 0.20 multiplied by 4 is 0.80. Alright, so we have 0.30 plus 0.80 here. So we have this number 1.1. That's mathematics. Okay, so 0.60 multiplied by 1.1 equals 66%. Okay, here we got the number of ROE for company B, and we have the ROE for company A. It seems bigger, but it's not always the case. We'll explain later why it seems bigger and why it seems smaller. There are gonna be many factors there. Okay, that's for now.